The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus Turbo is a masterpiece of engineering and design, built to push the limits of speed and luxury. From the moment you see it, the aerodynamic curves and carbon fiber bodywork announce its performance pedigree. With a stance that hugs the ground and a presence that commands attention, the Chiron 300 Plus is both a technical marvel and a work of art. Step around to the front, and you're met with Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille flanked by sleek LED headlights. The wide and low-slung design helps maximize airflow and downforce, allowing the car to stay stable at speeds few vehicles can even dream of reaching. The front splitter and air intakes are sculpted for performance as well as style. Inside, comfort meets exclusivity. The cabin is swathed in premium leather and carbon fiber trim, with every stitch placed with precision. The seats are sculpted to hold you firmly even at top speed while remaining incredibly comfortable for long drives. The minimalist elegance reflects the car's singular focus on performance and luxury. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus Turbo features luxurious, ergonomically designed comfort seats wrapped in premium leather, providing exceptional support, elegance, and relaxation even at extreme speeds. The dashboard blends analog inspiration with digital innovation. A central tachometer dominates the view, flanked by screens displaying vital performance data. Every control is placed for driver focus and precision. Under the hood lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, pushing out a mind-blowing 1,577 horsepower. It rockets the Chiron from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.4 seconds and can exceed speeds of 300 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars ever built. The power delivery is smooth yet brutal, controlled by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. From the front to its carefully sculpted rear, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus Turbo is more than a car, it's a symbol of human ambition and engineering excellence. It redefines what's possible on four wheels, all while offering an interior that pampers as much as it excites.